Hi guys, I'm gonna be talking about transformations, or two transformations that I use, are my favorite transformations to use because they're the easiest to me. One of them is called translation. It simply means moving without rotating, resizing, or anything else. Just try to move it without flipping the paper or doing anything to the paper. Another one is reflection. It's kind of it's like flipping the shape over any of the y-axis or the x-axis, anything that's helpful for you, or if it's telling you. Reflection is basically like something in the mirror, like you're reflecting off something, and like it's kind of like the opposite if you think about it, because it might show you, like, you'll be going left to right, and it might show right to left because it's the reflection or whatever. So yeah, this is an example of translation. It says, starting with ABC, translate 5 units left and 1 unit up. You have to try translating it without moving the paper, like I said. Sorry about the X's, but I messed up on those. But if you see A, B, and C, you're gonna have to try to move it. Each one move it 5 units to the left and 1 unit up. If you move B 5 units to the left and move it 1 up, then you'll get my solution. And then if you move A to the left 5 times and move 1 up, you also get my solution. And C, same with C, you move it 5 left and 1 up, and you'll get another solution. That's mine. And that's basically how you translate. And I'm sorry I don't have an example of reflection, but basically reflection is like, I'll give you a coordinate, let's say -2 to +2. If you reflect that, it's gonna be just basically reflecting across any axis. I'm just gonna say y-axis. Let's reflect it off y-axis. If I do that, then it would be kind of like the opposite, since your reflection is basically the same thing, but it's honestly the opposite of the coordinations because it's not the same. I feel like it's modeled with mathematics because you can clearly show work using diagrams, symbols, anything basically. You can use anything physical to try to get this to work, or these two transformations to work. So like, yeah, like one of my examples is I guess it's kind of a model or whatever to try to, like, to get you to understand reflection and translate. But let's say you try to move a plate at your home or at your house, and the pizza is like flipped on the other side. What you really need to, you can't move the plate at all. What you can do is switch sides and go where the pizza is pointing, or you could just turn the plate, but you can't do that. So that's basically how translation is. Like, in my mind, like, I think of like the crust pointing at me, but I want to have the point of the pizza because that's where I eat first. So all I have to do is just turn around and face the point of the pizza, and you'll get the right translation. And then reflection is basically like a mirror, like I said, or like this glass I'm looking at right now. I'm seeing my reflection, but it's not really the same coordinates as your regular self. Like, the reflection is basically the opposite, but the opposite of your direction. If you could say that, it's kind of hard to explain, but like, this is my left, and then this is my right. But yeah.